Hello and welcome to everyone. I'm Francesca Gorni, and in this video we will see how to determine the project requirements. First of all, in project and contracts, we set as current the project in which we want to work. Then we click on the estimating. Within the estimate module, we find the requirements dashboard. This dashboard is used to determine the distribution during time of the resources needed for the project completion. Quantities and amounts are deducted from the estimate. While the time-related information came from the job scheduling, the resources displayed are taken from both the analyzed items and from simple items. The analyzed item cost is calculated by adding up the amounts of the elements necessary for their realization and are identified by the letter A. As you can see, this item is an analyzed one, and within the analysis we find the elements that are part of it, such as sand or gravel. On the contrary, the formworks are simple elements and their analysis is empty. As we have already said, the estimate provides us with information on costs and quantities. Information about time instead is provided by job planning. For each estimate, we can have different job plannings. As you can see, we have an example of a job planning based on the estimate. Now let's see how to determine the requirements needed to complete the project. In estimating, we click on requirements. We select data request. Through the option table, we can enter the data we want to analyze. We select the time structure we prefer, for example, days, months, or years. We select the price category related to cost. And we also select Expand Composition Analysis for costs. Then we select the job planning that we want to use. And we press on OK. We can now build our chart by selecting the available fields. We select the code and the description of the resources. The unit of measurement. And in the data field, we select the quantities related to the total cost. We now divided the quantities by years and months. We can thus see the amount of resources needed month by month. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.